Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the pantothenic acid, the pantothenic or pantothenic acid. It is known as the vitamin B5. So, in this video, we will understand about the vitamin B5. What is the vitamin B5? In the previous video, we have discussed about the another vitamin B, but in this video, we will understand about the vitamin B5. This is the essential nutrient that is naturally present in some foods and supplementation. It is water soluble and it is for synthesis of CoA and it is essential for fatty acid synthesis and degradation and also used for the anabolic and catabolic processes. So collectively the metabolism. In this way the pantothenic acid, the pantothenic acid is important for the normal metabolism in our body. This is the vitamin B5 containing food like grains and chicken or beef, pork or other type of food like bread. This plant and animal food contain about 85% of dietary pantothenic acid is in the form of CoA and phosphopentothene, not it is in the form of pantothenic acid. Oh, sorry, pantothenic acid. Yes, pantothenic acid, but it is in the form of CoA and phosphopentothene. So whenever the 6 milligram per day is required, when entered into the esophagus to the stomach and duodenum in the form of bolus to the chyme, and in this way the chyme will absorb this phosphopentethene. This phosphopentethene go into the lumen already present, and the microbiota intestinal flora are present, which that also convert this phosphopentethene dietary will into the pantothenic acid, and it is also convert via a brush powder enzyme, epithelial cell containing brush powder enzyme, phosphorylases. This will lead to separate the phosphate group to form a pantothenic acid. This pantothenic acid will be directly moved into the blood circulatory system through passive and active transport. And in this way the blood circulatory system, the RBC will capture this pantothenic acid because it is the active form, and it will move into the tissue, and it is also forming in the CoA and the pantothenic acid also an acyl carrier protein formation. Let's understand about the another mechanism, and first of all we will understand about the identification, how to identify the normal pantothenic acid in our blood. So the identification through microbiological growth assay and the animal bioassay, as well as the radioimmunoassay. This all four method we will discuss in the next video with separate video. So just here is the blood which that is less identifier, while the urine is more, because excretion 2.6 milligram per day and in blood 1.6 to 2.7 micromole per liter. The deficiency improved by diet changes will lead to change the microbiome. When change the microbiome will increase the pantothenic acid also and the phosphopentethene also through diet. Pantothenic acid and health, if we will discuss, so the hyperlipidemia treatment is due to the pantothenic acid. And in this way the reduced lipid, in this way low density lipoprotein can be decreased and high density lipoprotein will increase, will lead to decrease the arteriosclerosis, risk of hypertension decrease, risk of diabetes decrease, improve longevity and health improvement. In this way, the longevity will be increased due to the atherosclerosis as well as arteriosclerosis. Hypertension prevention will lead to live more. This is the low density lipoprotein, for example. So whenever the pantothenic acid will enter into the liver cell or other type of cell, so in this way the pantothenic acid, which that will be go convert in the presence of ATP and the pantothenic acid kinase enzyme to produce 4-phosphopantothenic acid. The 4-phosphopantothenic acid will convert through cytosine triphosphate plus cysteine. In this way, the convert into the CDP and inorganic phosphate will be removed, and this produce the energy to produce in the presence of 4-phosphopantothenol cysteine synthase enzyme to produce the 4-phosphopantenoid cysteine, and in this way the removal of carbon dioxide due to the 4-phosphopantenoid cysteine decarboxylase enzyme to produce 4-phosphopantethene. And this in this way here is the ATP used to pyrophosphate release, and the D-phospho coenzyme A will be formed, 4-D-phospho coenzyme A. In this way the ATP again used to produce in the presence of D-phospho CoA kinase to produce coenzyme A. This coenzyme A will again convert into the 4-phosphopantethene, but the coenzyme A will remove the 3,5-ADP, will form a hollow acyl carrier protein, and also the CoA protein, apoprotein, the acyl carrier protein. In this way here you can see the CoA hydrolase enzyme used to produce 3,5-ADP. So in this way the LDL, which that will trigger the enzyme for CoA and APO conversion, and in this way that enzyme is used for the conversion from pantothenic acid to the hollow acyl carrier protein. It is used for the LDL to APO. CoA will add the apoprotein in the liver, and in this way it will be LDL convert into the HDL. So anyhow, the pyruvate metabolism and the beta oxidation due to the CoA function, and the CoA function is the pyruvate metabolism, beta oxidation, transportation of the lipids, ATP production by glucose breakdown. So a lot of CoA function, but in this video we have discussed about the LDL and the position of the CoA through apoprotein will lead to function. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share, and give the comment below if you have any doubt. So in this video we have discussed about the pantothenic acid, the vitamin B5. So it is basically the homeostasis of the lipoprotein, because the apoprotein formation through CoA, the coenzyme A, and a lot of more function of the coenzyme A. But in this video we have discussed this. So the beta oxidation also require CoA transportation and ATP production by glucose breakdown also require the CoA, but the apoprotein deposition into the LDL to convert the HDL, that is also the function of the CoA. So I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe. So see you in the next video. For this time, bye.